Hello YouTube, what's up? Welcome to the Biker Chef, the channel that combines motorcycles and cooking. My name is Gabriel and today I will show you how to install the Aliexpress aluminum alloy top case. And I will do so the easy way, not using any of the hardware provided by the top case. Stay tuned! So, the first thing we will need to do is to remove the screws of the plastic plate on the back of the motorcycle using a 5 hex screw head. Instead, I'm going to show you the easy way to do this without using the hardware provided by the top case. And this means that we are going to use the same screws. Attention, you will need 4 washers. These screws have some sort of a built-in washer that doesn't allow a flat fixation on the top case plate. Okay. So we are going to use these holes right here and these long holes, also long holes, I don't know how to call them, right here, and they will align perfect on the fixation of the plastic part. So these are the washers. I'm going to put in the description of the video the size. This is the screw, and now you just have to fix it. Now let's give it a little torque. This is solid. So that was it, fixing the base plate. And now the top case. Just put it push it. Okay, you fix it, you push it, then you lock it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So there you have it, the easiest way to install this top case on the 450 MT. Next, I will take the motorcycle with the top case installed on a ride test, so I can give you guys a full feedback of this case right here.